Hello, this video will give you a quick understanding on what's new and improved in the Dravya 2.0 app. In the home page of the new app, we have a popular picks area, a featured area and a top brands area and some icons in the bottom and in the top right corner. Pressing on any of this item opens up the detailed page of that particular item. You can see that the information is tagged in vertical accordions. Opening any of this segment gives you the detailed content of that particular section in the app. The top brand icons are also buttons. Pressing any of this icon opens a detailed profile page of that brand along with the full list of products manufactured by them and an option to buy those products from their e-commerce platform. If you are looking for something specific like a herb, a metal, a classical product, a proprietary product or a grouping, just tap on the search icon in the bottom center of the app. This opens up the search area. Pressing on the search bar initiates the search, and if you have done any previous search, it shows up in the history. And if you are looking for a specific name, we support ingredient names in 23 languages. So for example, if you are typing for ashwagandha, it will start giving you suggestions. Pressing on the specific suggestion will go to a detailed page. So now you can see that ashwagandha is coming up top with some tags telling that it's an ingredient, it's a herbal source, this is the Sanskrit name of that ingredient and the root is being used. Tapping on this takes you to an intermediate page giving you some more details on ashwagandha plus another tab of products which gives you the list of all the items which has ashwagandha in it, and then the list of all Varga Gana Skandhas having ashwagandha in it, and then the number of providers having products having ashwagandha in it. This is the same case if you want to look for a product. Say for example, I am searching for Chavanaprasham, and by the time I start typing, this starts giving you suggestion. Pressing on this, you can go to the product page. Tapping on any information in the list goes to the detailed page of that particular item. And similarly, all the content is again arranged in stacks, and these contents are also cross-linked. Here you can see that the ingredient list, pressing on this, it will not only show you the name of that item in the language that you have chosen, it also converts the traditional unit into SI unit and it gives you the scientific name. So if you want to change the language, just tap on the floating action button, press change button and change it to any other language from the list. And now you can see that all the ingredient names will also show up in the language that you have chosen. If you want to go to the details page of any of this ingredient, all you have to do is just tap on the view full details page and it will again go to the herb information. The new Dravya app also has a dedicated unit converter where you can convert any quantity into any other listing. The Dravya app's search button is so powerful that you can also search using any other keyword. Say for example, if I am looking for an action, let's say Tvachya, just type in that name in Sanskrit or in English and you will start getting related suggestions. Let me type another example. So here I am typing in purgative and you can see that it gives you the detailed list of all related terms which are connected to purgation. You can also search for any of the Rasa Panchaka. Here I am searching for Mathura Rasa and you can see that the taste Mathura comes up top, and it also shows that there is Mathura Vipaka, and pressing on any of this item gives you a list of all the items having Mathura Vipaka. You can also search using any other keywords like indication. So let's type in Prameha and see what comes up. So here also you can filter based on your specific requirement, and if I'm selecting Prameha, it gives you a detailed list of all the ingredients, products and grouping and providers with Prameha as an indication. Our professional users can take advantage of the multi-search feature in the Dravya app, which will enable the user to pinpoint a search. So in this case, I am looking for something very specific which is indicated for Prameha, and if I continue to search the search icon, I can keep on adding more and more keywords. So I'm looking for something that can be given for Prameha, that is Ekavaidya. So now you can see that along with Prameha, I have also added another keyword, and the list of ingredients have come down to 54. Let me also type in Brahmana. Now you can see that from a database of 3000 plus items, this has shortened into a list of 4 items, which is not only indicated for diabetes but also has Ekavaidya and Brahmana action. So Guna. So this is how the multi-search of Dravya can be utilized. Depending on the keyword that you type, the nature of search also changes. Say for example, I am typing in a list of herbs. So I'm just typing ashwagandha. Along with that, I am adding another keyword. Let's say vacha. So I'm selecting the specific type of vacha. Now you can see that the number of products and grouping is getting smaller and smaller. Let me also type shunthi. So now what the app does is it looks for all the items in the database which has ashwagandha, vacha and shunthi in it. So yeah, the number of ingredients is listed as we search. In the products, you can see that these 11 items have all these 3 ingredients, and there is just one varga or gana or skanta which has both these 3 ingredients, which is Ushnavirya Dravya. So this is also another example of how multi-search can be utilized. Since there are practically unlimited number of ways in which you can use the Dravya app, we won't be able to give you a detailed list of all the keywords that you can use, but we really encourage our users to try and add as much keywords and see what the result Dravya is giving you. We really also hope that you will use the app in detail and give us a good feedback, which will help us not only to improve the content and features, this will also help us understand what exactly our user group is requiring out of the platform.